regulatory statute. We now own 9.8% of the bank.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven and Tonic fam, Crow fam. I am back with some more bullish content for you guys in this video. Hey man, y'all finding value in these videos? I would appreciate some support, man. I've been talking about this. We have been covering these things on the channel before anyone else, and it is playing out right now. It is very crazy to see banks keep continuing are collapsing left and right, and this is when crypto starts to shine. We see Tonic is starting to shine, had nice moves up, moves to the upside. We're having a bit of a retrace today, down 3%. Obviously Bitcoin is down 3% as well, so Tonic is following, right? But Tonic was created for these situations, guys. It was created to be the new banking system. Tonic, that whole ecosystem was created to be the new financial system and disrupt everything that we know in the past when it comes to finances. You could take control of your finances with Tonic, as per the Tonic team in their documentation, right? And yeah, so as we can see, Tonic down, Tonic on a bit of a retrace, but it's still steady up to the upside. I think, you know, we could be seeing the start of the bull run, man. I've been saying this on the channel. Look at this, Tonic, the new bank. 1 month ago, you know, US debt clock. You have been warned, and all these videos were like a month ago, right? One of the videos I did that did really well. Which video was it? I'm looking for it. Hold on. Give me a second. But it had the title in bold letters. Right here. This did pretty good. 1 month ago, Tonic, the new bank, and then all of a sudden we start to see the banks collapse, and there's another bank that is on the brink of collapse, which is the Credit Suisse bank. We're gonna cover that, man, because yeah, guys, Tonic is shining. Slow and steady wins the race. You DCA diamond hand, wait for the bull run. Okay, DCA diamond hand, wait for the bull run. That is my saying. And if you were looking for a bit of a dip, here's your dip, right? Guys, if you're interested in these videos, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Support all my previous videos that I've uploaded. Nothing but value on the channel, and I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much. Also, if you can, leave a super comment, a super thanks in the comment section, or become a channel member to support the channel even further. So as far as the you know, Tonic, what it's gonna do, just keep an eye on the top markets, keep an eye on Bitcoin, or keep an eye on the Tonic Twitter, because if the team announces anything bullish, we could see nice price action as well. But yeah, we're having a probably, because we're going into the weekend, 2 more days until the weekend, we're having a nice little cool off after those, you know, after that little run we had. You know, everything was green, Tonic was green, Bitcoin was green. Now we're having a bit of a cool off. From Wall Street Silver, will you give Credit Suisse more money? Let's take a look.
Whether you would be open to assisting further if there was another call for additional liquidity from Credit Suisse.
Hold on, guys, let me get the volume up a little bit higher for you guys. Hold on.
Wondering whether you would be open to assisting further if there was another call for additional liquidity from Credit Suisse.
The answer is absolutely not, for many reasons, outside the simplest reason, which is regulatory statute. We now own 9.8% of the bank. If we go above 10%, all kinds of new rules kick in, whether it be
the banks are collapsing one step at a one by one. The banks are collapsing because of the Fed's policies. Insane to think. The Fed is trying to reduce inflation, and literally their battle to reduce inflation is tanking the literal financial system. They are stuck between a rock and a hard place, guys. And you know what's going to win? Crypto, DeFi, Tonic. You already see it in the charts. The facts are in the charts. When the banks started collapsing, what did Tonic do? Make a move to the upside, right? You know, like you could be like, well, what are you talking about, Joven? What do you mean? Look at right here on the 1 month. Banks started collapsing. SVB Bank, all of these other banks. Whoop, Tonic makes it move to the upside. As these things play out, we'll see it continue to Tonic to continue to shine in the future.
Regulator or the European regulator or the Swiss regulator, and we're not inclined to get into a new regulatory regime.
I'm wondering whether you would be...
Right here we have a Saudi National Bank chairman saying they're not going to support Credit Suisse. Credit Suisse, if you guys take a look at my Twitter, 977 followers on Twitter. Let's get me to 1,000 followers on Twitter. But if we take a look at Twitter, Credit Suisse Bank is looking to be one of the next banks to go down. Credit Suisse now has a probability of default, 47% chance of defaulting, meaning another huge bank collapsing. That is up from 38% just a few hours ago. CS is also offering crazy deposit rates of 6.5% to attract and retain deposits that are being moved out. Do we see a bailout by this weekend? And right here we have another catalyst for the markets to go bullish, right? We'll see say another huge bank like this goes down, we'll see people flood to crypto. They'll be flooding the crypto, flood into obviously gold, or you know, it's a stock market, they start safe. But risk on assets like crypto, you'll see more and more people flood to that, the Crow ecosystem, Tonic, because they won't be able to trust their banks anymore. And right now, Credit Suisse is basically trying to trap people by incentivizing deposit rates so they could try to save the bank, try to save it, get more people to invest their money in Credit Suisse so they could hold up. But you know, it's too much fear that is happening right now. So we could see another bank run take place, just like we saw for SVB. From Bitcoin magazine, this isn't a crap coin, it's the second largest bank in Europe, 2.7 trillion BNP Paribas. So oh my gosh guys, this is no laughing matter, but it's surreal, man. I was talking about this in my previous videos, and it's literally unfolding right before our eyes. And like I said, you know what's going to happen to crypto, DeFi, decentralized finance, the new financial system, ecosystem? They're gonna send. Don't worry about short term. You can't have one god candle to, you know, $1 billion market cap Tonic or $500 million market cap Tonic. It's not gonna be one candle. You're gonna have corrections. It's slow and steady. It's gonna be just like how it is right now. It's gonna move up, correct, right? Let's take a look at the 1 month. You know, move up, correct, moved up for correct, move up, correct, right? That's what it's gonna do on a 7-day. Can't have just one candle to 500 million. I wish it was like that, where it's just one candle to 500 million to $1 billion in market cap, but it doesn't work like that. You're gonna have corrections along the way, but the overall trend on the 7-day right now is bullish. That's the overall trend. And yeah, another huge banks losing so much value in stock because people are losing faith in the previous financial system because of the Fed trying to fix the economy. Global financial system going underwater, the Fed playing their violins, right? They're trying to fix inflation from all the mistakes they've done in the past. They're trying to fix inflation, and it's literally collapsing everything else around it. There's so much fear in people. There's so much fear in people right now, thinking, what am I going to do? Where am I going to save my money? And most people are turning to the S&P, gold, Bitcoin, and obviously when the crypto markets as a whole get bullish, strong coins like Crow, Tonic get bullish as well, right? Radar trading stop for BNP Paribas after 8% plunge in soft share price in early trading. We just read that BNP Paribas, right here. It is the second largest bank in Europe. Second, $2.7 trillion, and they had to stop the trading for it. What are these meme coins, guys? Are these pool coins where the when dev do something, you know? Are they the banks are literally rug pulling people? That's what's happening. You ain't gonna find that with Tonic and Crow. You know, Crow and Tonic ain't gonna rug pull you. The banks are rug pulling people now. That is insane to think about, guys. Wrap your head around that for a second. Guys, I'm telling you, if you enjoy the content, man, please support the channel. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Go rewatch these videos. I want to see 1,000 views on each video, man. Tonic fam, please support. Every time I drop a video, I want to see 1,000 views. This one almost at 1,500 here, 500. I need to see 1,000 per video, guys, because I'm bringing so much value and bringing so much research. I've been, like I said, you know, I'm probably one of the only content creators that speak about, you know, this project or talk about Crow that has been calling this since like a month ago, right? Since a while ago, actually, right? So yeah, man, thank y'all so much for watching, Tonic fam. If you enjoyed it, leave a super comment, super thanks in the comment section. Become a channel member to further support the channel. Everything Tonic and myself will be in the description. Again, thank y'all so much for the support. Like, can't thank y'all enough. I know I'm ranting. I do be ranting in my videos, but I can't thank y'all enough for the support, you know, and it really means a lot. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.